Yeah. Here I have started the machine. So we have selected the Oracle base over here. Now we are on the next part. Okay. So here we have the group O install already.
Yes, bhai.
Already we have the group for Oracle user and inventory for this. So no need to do anything here. You just select.
Yeah.
So what you will do here, you will need to select the O install for all. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, yes, sure.
Yeah, O install. This is the main primary group for Oracle database. Okay. So we are selecting the O install for all the like groups or user. Here it's showing automatically run the configuration script. So if you want to run configuration script, but for good practice, you need to execute it manually. Do not select the automatic. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So I am clicking on the next and just checking the prerequisite.
Performing checks.
For standby database, we need to follow the same. Okay.
Okay,
We
bhai.
will do the same on for the standby database. So what I will do, I will make a clone of the current clone machine. Okay.
Yeah.
That will be helpful during the
Standby.
standby configuration.
Okay, bhai.
Hmm.
So we have to maintain two machines here. One machine is for primary and one more machine for this standby, right?
Clone.
Clone.
For
Okay, right
clone.
now clone. So in my practice, myself also have to build a clone server like this also means it will
Yeah, right.
helpful for use for the standby also. After completing of clone activity, we use
Correct.
it for standby configuration also, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Means it will be like time saving.
Time saving I got it by. Yeah.
Yeah, because we will do the same for the standby. Okay.
Okay.
So why we will go to perform all the pre-checks for the standby also? Because here we are going to do the same, and we will do the same for the standby. Whatever the prerequisite we are doing for till now, so it will be the same for the physical standby. We need to create the all the directory structure. We need to create all the users. So for user, we have executed like yum install Oracle 19c pre-installation script, right?
Yeah,
Using
right.
the yum. So we need to execute that script. We need to have all the Oracle users and group on the server. We need to reset the Oracle user. We need to create all the directory structure which we
Yeah.
have created like the ADUM and FRA and the Oracle home.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
and the batch profile. So we will do the same for the physical standby. And then after you need to copy the Oracle software, 19c software.
Yeah.
Okay, and then on GP, then install the software only. So why we
Fine.
need to do the twice? We
Yeah,
are
right.
doing the same. Already we did it when we have configured first time, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
we did it first time. Also today we are doing the second time. So why we need to do the third time? Because you know the process
Yeah, right.
till that time only.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
so we can save the time.
Yeah, right. Got it.
For that only now also we need to have around we need to disconnect it two time or three time. We need to like
Yes,
set up
right.
all those things, install all those things. So the session will be in around 4 to 5 means like it will be like we can say the time consuming.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, it will
So
save
here
more
we
time
have
also.
all the, yeah. So
Yeah.
here all we have the like rechecks. So if you want to save the response file, you can save. So always remember on the like in company environment, okay, you need to always save the response file. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, always save the response file and then click on the install. So it will install the database software only. So hardly I think it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. So let's wait for 5 to
Oh
ten
yes.
minutes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And for now, what this is the clone machine. So let's see. Okay. So in Linux, what we will do, uh, I will edit it, okay, and then we'll share
Yeah.
this Linux document. So you
Okay.
will
Okay.
get the more idea about it. Okay.
Yeah. Oh. 11% is.
So till the now, whatever I did now on the clone machine, so I will copy all those things. So firstly, what you will do, connect to the root user, change the ownership for Oracle home. See? So not here. Let me keep it over here. So root and then after ownership and then you need to connect to the Oracle user and then create the thing over here. So I will just edit the document and give it to you.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm. Now here we have the bias profile. Okay. So this is the bias profile details. Yeah. And then after I will do whatever I am doing on this server. So we'll do the same. We have reached date that if you want to see the details, so from here you can see the detail. Okay.
Yes.
So here you can see. So what it's showing, like the following script needs to be executed as root user. Okay.
Yes, bhai. Yeah.
So firstly, you need to copy the first one. Okay.
Yes.
And then already we have connected here with the clone machine.
Yes.
Okay. So what we will do, we will connect to the root user.
Root user.
Okay. Now we are on root user only. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are on root user. So give the sh and run the root.sh command.
Yes.
So here what it's showing, the execution script is completed,
Complete
right?
right. Yeah.
Yeah. So first one is completed. Not now we are going to execute the second one.
Second one.
Yeah. And always remember, you need to run the above
Execute
information
as
like
a
need
root
to
user.
be executed as a root user.
Yes,
Okay.
bhai. Yeah.
Yeah. So here one we have executed with the root user. Now we are going to execute the second one. Okay.
Yeah.
So here no need to give anything here. Just press the enter button. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now it's successfully executed for now. So what we will do, we will click on the OK.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it's successfully installed. Okay.
Okay.
Click on the close button.
Close.
So we have installed successfully.
Yes.
Okay. Now if we run the SQL plus -v, so here you can see we have the Oracle means like software
Version.
installed. Oracle 19c software installed on the clone machine.
Yes, bhai. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we need to create the listener. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
So
Right.
what we will do, firstly we need to take the host name 519 and then it is the 56105 and run the net CA. Okay.
Let's see. Okay.
Yeah. So after net CA, we will stop this machine and will like make a clone of this machine for standby.
Okay, bhai.
Okay. Till the
And
net CA means
yeah.
whatever the things we are doing for now. So
Right.
we will do the same for the standby.
Okay, bhai. And one more
Yeah.
thing, by use the command DBCA, na? That is DBCA.
Yeah, that is for the database creation. But
Okay.
here we are not going to create the database using DBCA. We are going
Okay.
to clone the database. And
Okay. Okay. Got it.
for the cloning, you need to complete, these are the pre-installation tasks before the cloning.
Okay, bhai. Got it.
Yeah, which we are
Yeah.
performing now. So this is the pre-installation task.
Okay, bhai. Got it.
Hmm. So this is the next series. So
Oracle Net Service configuration.
the let's see a GUI will also open over here. So just a second. So always remember for cloning, for standby, or for primary, if you are configuring the listener, okay.
Okay.
So in listener, you need to put the entry for that server local database only.
Okay.
If
Understand.
you are on primary, okay. So you
Yeah.
need to put the entry of primary database only. Whatever the database basis is running on that server. So you need to put the entry for those databases only. No need to put the entry for the standby or for the clone database because they are running on another server. So when you will configure a listener on those server, so in that listener only you can put the clone or DR database entry. Okay, so here
Got it.
we are creating a clone list, means like listener for clone database. Okay,
Yeah.
so click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next. Here we are giving the 1521. We are using the like default port only. So just click on next and just a minute.
Which TCP IP port should be listener use? The port number selected should.
Yeah, if you are going to configure any other, like if in the many of the company, like they don't want to use the 1521 port, they want to use the any manual. Okay, so if they are saying
Yeah.
except the 1521, you need to use any other port. So here you need to select the second one option, use another port number. And when you will select the use
Yes,
another
bhai.
port number, then here it will ask for the port number. So whatever the port number you will give here, so your listener will use that port number only. So in TNS also, if you are
Yes, bhai.
going to configure the TNS, so you need to put that port number only. Don't forget to put the means like if you forgot to put the port number, like the new port number what you have given for the listener, and if you forgot to like given in the TNS name dot ora, so by default it will take the 1521. So in that scenario, you will face the problem when you will means like you are going to connect to the database. Na? So in that scenario, you will face the problem.
Yeah,
TNS
got it.
protocol or network adapter like this means that related to database networking issues, you will face the problem.
Yes, bhai. Got it.
Yeah, so just wait for a minute. It's configuring. It's taking time.
Use another port number, no web address. It is build.
Yes, I want to configure. So here it's asking, do you want to use the another listener? So I am saying no. Actually, why it was given? Because during when I was showing that, like you need to select the second port and here you
Ah,
need to put the like second port means like the new port entry and everything. So
yeah.
by mistake, I have clicked on their like
Mm,
select option.
yeah, that is another port you selected. That's why I think it is asking.
Yes,
Can I go
not
all the way
selected
back?
already. Sorry.
Clicked on that side. Would you like to configure another listener?
No,
No.
no. We don't want to configure the another
Yeah.
listeners for now. Only here we are going to configure the
So if the
one
client
listener.
is requested me, then only we will keep another
Yeah.
listener with.
If client is requested, then you can create the another listener because there are so it's completed. So click on the next and no need to. Okay.
Finish.
So
Yeah.
if we check LSNR CTL status.
That is
So here it's using the local host. Okay. So
yeah.
that's why it was given the problem. So what you will do, you will go to the Oracle home, CD, network,
Admin.
admin, and open the listener.ora file.
Yeah.
VIE. Here you can see in host, we have the local host name. So that's why we got the problem. So what we will do, we will remove the local host name and we'll put the entry
Host IP, right?
IP address.
Host name IP.
Sorry, either you can put the host name also. Okay.
Okay.
Either it's better to put the IP.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Here we have given the host name, right?
Yes.
IP 192.168.6.105. Okay.
Yes.
So save it, you enter, save. Now we will run, start the
Start.
listeners.
LS, that's it. Start.
Yeah. Why it's taken the local host name? Because as I said, we need to put the entry. Here you can see this is the primary database server. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you see the entry in /etc/hosts,
Host name. Or
not
host.
host name, host.
Okay.
So here you can see we have given the primary DB server name here,
Yeah.
right? But we need to put the secondary database entry here, and also we need to put the same entry on your clone server.
Okay,
Okay.
got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So here what we will do, we will switch to the root user. Okay. And then vi /etc/hosts. Okay. I So what we will do, we will copy this. So what it does, second host name 105
195. Yeah.
this, and host name would be
Clone
clone,
space
and then
clone dot
clone,
local domain.
and then we need to put the clone.local. So
Yeah.
here we have given the full name. Now
Cat etc.
we need to put the same entry on the
Clone
in
database server also.
here you can see the listener is running fine now. Okay.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah. So go to the second machine. Okay. Go to the second machine, and we need to put the same entry /etc/host. Okay. And we'll copy the same entry from here and paste it over here. Okay. Now we are. So what I will do, I will shut down the clone machine for now
Yeah.
and will make a clone of this machine for the standby. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So I have set it down. Go to the machine. Now we can see the database is shut down for now. So what I will do, I will make a clone of this machine. So right click on that machine, go to the miner, go to the clone, click on next, create the full clone, right? And give the name machine standby, browse, and go to the
Visible
DB
for
Linux,
then
and here
stand.
standby.
Yeah.
Okay, and then finish. So when we will go means like when we will be learning the standby and the standby configuration. So no
Yeah.
need to do these tasks, whatever we have done for now. So no need to do all these things.
Okay.
Already we got all those things on that server. So it will be a time saving. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
So we will do the only like the whatever the main part of the standby configuration, because till the this stage you know it,
Yeah, right.
right? So no need to do again and again. So we will
Yes, bhai.
directly go for the configuration.
Cloning virtual machine, prepare to clone
Okay,
object.
it's done for now. Okay, so
Yes,
we will not start this machine because we will work when we will go to the standby.
stand. Okay.
Okay, so I am going to start the clone machine only.
Yeah.
So for now, after is no need to do anything here. So okay, so here you just what you will do, you will just press the shift and R. So
Shift.
automatically it will restart the machine.
Okay.
Means it will restart the session. Okay. So here you can see here it's showing KSHRC,
Yes,
BIOS
bhai.
RC, right?
Right.
So KSH means these are the like the Linux profiles which you
Okay.
want to execute, like CSH or KSH or BIOS profile. So which profile you want to use? Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. So for now, if you want to see which profile you are using, so just you need to check using past WD. So here you can see where is the Oracle user. Here you can see we are using the bias profile for means whatever the profile you is using bias now. So
Yeah.
after those profile you can see /bin/bias. Here you
Yes.
can see for Oracle user also we have the /bin/bias.
Yes.
Okay, so whatever the users is available on this server, so they are using the /bin/bias. If you want to change KSS, so here you just open the like /etc/password passwd file, and here just put the /bin/KSS.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so it will start to execute with the KSS profile. It will not use the bias profile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah, so where you can check in past WD. So what is your user, means which user you are currently working with, and that user which profile like what is the profile assigned to that user. So you in /etc past WD profile you can check the detail about that. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
Yeah. So already we have started the session here. Okay, and already we have created the listener. So I need to restart the session. Oracle, Oracle. Okay. So if we check here, familiar pipe grep PNS. So listener is
Yeah.
not running because we have restarted the server.
Yes.
So we run lsnr
Okay. LSNR CTL
here start.
start.
Okay. So there is no listener here. If we check lsnr CTL
Start.
status, so sorry, we have connected to the root user only. So lsnr CTL status. So here we have the two entries. Okay.
Yes.
So what we will do, uh, yes. So here what we have the uh, go to the listener location. It's like admin. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we need to check the tnsnames.ora file. So open the tnsnames.ora file. Okay. And
Yeah.
here we have the entry for SFMS, and here we have the entry for the
ORC.
ORCL. Right. But
Yes.
we need to put an entry for this server. So
Okay.
here what we will do, uh, so first we need to set the listener for this, for the, here we need to put the cd dollar vehicle underscore home slash network slash admin. Okay.
Yeah.
And then vi listener.ora. Okay. Press I button. So here we have the listener name, but we do not have the listener SID. Okay. So
Yes.
here we put the entry for the SID. So on this server, we are going to have only one list like SID ORCL only. Okay. So what we
Okay.
will do, we will remove the other SID.
Okay. By this SID for creation of database, right?
Sorry,
This SID represents a database name.
just a second.
Uh,
Tell me. Yeah, the SID present the database name.
okay.
Okay. So now we have the entry for this database, whatever the database we will create on the server. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll save this file, and we need to, here we have the no listener. Now we need to lsnr
Till load.
yeah. Now again we can check the status. So here we have the ORCL service entry in the listener. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. But also we need to have an entry in the what I can say, the tnsname.ora file. So here you can see we have the tnsname.ora file, but if we see here, we do not have the TNS file because we
Yeah.
did not like make the entry in the TNS file. So what we will do, we will go to the Oracle phone slash network slash admin. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we did not have the list TNS number. So what we will do, we will run the netCA again and we'll make an entry in netCA. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are not going to create the listener. We are going to create the local net service naming configuration for the database. So I'm going to put the entry service name will be what I can give. Here we need to give the like where we have connected to the clone. Okay. So here I will give the clone one. Okay. Click on the next. Click on the next. Host name. Need to put the entry. Host name hyphen sorry hyphen capitalize. Need to put the IP address. Click on next. No, I don't want to load. Sorry. I here the service name is ORCL, right?
Yes, boy.
Yeah, database service name we are giving here, and this is the net service name. So here we
Okay.
need to give the ORCL. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, clone.
Clone.
So click on the next. No, next. Yeah. Now we will make another entry for the primary. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll give the entry here ORCL. Okay. The same database name, but here the
6 by or not 6.
let me check once. Here we have the 106. Okay.
Yes.
106. And here we will give the prod.
Product.
Yeah. So, okay. So now we are
Finish.
good to close. If here, this is the clone server. If we ping clone, then it's able to ping the clone, right?
Yes,
If we
very.
ping the
Prod.
ORCLDB host from here, then it's able to ping the ORCLDB. If we ping clone TNS, okay, so it's able to ping the clone TNS. Sorry, if we run the TNS ping clone, right?
Yeah. Right.
You are able to here you can see it successfully. TNS ping is working fine for clone. Now I
Yeah.
am going to test for prod, which we have made the entry. So it's also working fine.
Yes,
Okay.
boy.
Now we will do the same for the primary because we have the entry on the primary. Okay. But
Yeah.
yeah, but for now, we need to go to here and we need to copy the host name from prod. Okay. And enable the host name with the Oracle